Make a salad like this next time. Easy, light, and delicious. Start by chopping half a purple cabbage, then half a green cabbage. Now chop a red onion and an apple. Now transfer everything to a bowl. Add a carrot cut into strips. Add 200 grams of raisins and now just stir. Grab a small bowl, and in it add 200 grams of mayonnaise, 150 grams of sour cream, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 of honey, and 1 of mustard. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Mix well. Now just pour it over the salad and stir thoroughly. Once everything is well coated, let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And there you have it, an easy, light, and delicious salad, perfect for any occasion. The dressing makes all the difference, balancing sweetness and acidity. Now it's up to you. Try it out and let us know in the comments what you think. If you liked the recipe, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more ideas like this. See you next time. Until then.